Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. D.M. Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Ravarane Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, today we are deal with the very interesting point from stereochemistry, the stereochemistry of alene molecule. We know that alene molecule, biphenyl molecule as well as spiro compound, it shows optical activity without stereogenic center. Friends, before starting the stereochemistry of alene molecule, it is very important to understand what is meant by optical activity. Okay, optical activity is a simple plane of plane polarized light is rotate either clockwise direction or anticlockwise direction is called as optical activity. Okay, what are the basic conditions for optical activity? Number first condition, the molecule carry at least one chiral carbon. What is mean by chiral carbon? Means carbon with 4 unsymmetrical substituent is called as chiral carbon. Okay, and the molecule with chiral carbon, it shows chirality, and chirality is nothing but simple optical activity. But in case of this alene molecule, biphenyl molecule as well as spiro compound, these molecules it shows optical activity without stereogenic center, means without chiral carbon. Okay, and these are the very interesting point. Okay, see how the alene molecules it shows optical activity. Number first, before starting the optical activity means stereochemistry of this alene molecule, it's very important to understand what is mean by alene molecule. See, allenes are the organic compounds in which the continuous arrangement of 2 or more than 2 double bonds is called as alene molecule. It's a simple successive arrangement or consecutive arrangement or continuous arrangement of 2 or more than 2 double bonds is called as alene molecule. It is a number first synthesized allyl molecule is a 1,2-propadiene molecule. See the structure of this 1,2-propadiene molecule. There is a continuous arrangement of 2 double bond. See the number of carbon 1, 2, 3. So the parent alkane is a propane. There is a 2 double bond, and these 2 double bonds are continuous successive arrangement of this 2 double bond. Due to this 2 double bond, there is a di, and the suffix for this double bond is in, means IUPAC name of this alene is a 1,2-propadiene molecule. Okay, see the hybridization of this carbon. In case of alene molecule, the terminal carbon it shows sp2 hybridization, and the central carbon it shows sp hybridization. It is one more interesting thing of this alene molecule. In alene, position of double bonds are perpendicular to each other due to hybridization of carbon as well as the orientation of p orbital. See the simple, if there is a 2 double bonds, these 2 double bonds are perpendicular to each other. These are the 3D structure of this alene molecule. These 2 double bonds are exactly perpendicular to each other. Suppose there is a 3 double bond, then this first and second double bond perpendicular to each other, and second and third double bond is again perpendicular to each other. Means in case of alene, the arrangement of double bond is a simple perpendicular to each other due to hybridization of this carbon as well as the orientation of p orbital. Next one is the stereochemistry of alene molecule, means optical activity of alene molecule. Okay, we know that alene is a continuous arrangement of double bond. If the alene with unsymmetrical substituents at terminal carbon atom shows optical activity and isomerism. See, these are the examples of alene molecule. Number first example, different substituents at terminal carbon, hydrogen methyl group, but this first molecule is optically inactive due to odd number of double bonds. See the number second examples. There is also different substituent at terminal carbon, OHCS3, ClCS3. Out of these 4 substituent, these 2 substituents, hydroxy group and methyl group, these 2 are in plane, and the remaining 2, chlorine and methyl, these 2 are out of plane. See the number third example, it is also optical active. This hydroxy group, methyl group is in plane, and the remaining 2 group CS3 and Cl, these 2 are out of plane, also it shows optical activity. Number fourth example, Cl, H and Cl, also it shows optical activity, because in this example there is only two double bonds and the arrangement of these two double bonds are exactly perpendicular to each other. Means this chlorine and hydrogen, these two are in plane and the remaining hydrogen and chlorine, these two are out of plane. Means this molecule does not show any element of symmetry, means it becomes optically active. Similar to fourth example, fifth is also fluorine hydrogen, these two in plane and the remaining two out of plane, also it shows optical activity. Okay, the allenes are compounds in which more than two cumulative double bonds are present. Odd number, first condition, odd number of double bond exhibit geometrical isomerism, means cis and trans isomerism. See the first example, HCS3. In case of this allene molecule, there is a 3 double bond, means odd number of double bond, it shows geometrical isomerism, and due to this geometrical isomerism it becomes optically inactive. Okay, see the best example, CS3H, HCS3, odd number of double bond, it shows geometrical isomerism, means these are the trans allene. And number second, HCS3 means more substituted group, bulky group at the same side, means it's called as cis allene molecule. Okay, and number second condition, if the allene contains even number of double bond, exhibit optical isomerism. See the number first example, fluorine and hydrogen. The number of double bonds, there is only 2 double bonds and the arrangement of these 2 double bond exactly perpendicular to each other. Means these 2 groups in plane and the remaining 2 groups out of plane, means this molecule it shows optical activity. Okay. Next one is in allene, position of double bonds are perpendicular to each other due to hybridization and orientation of p orbitals. In earlier slide, we have seen the exact position of these 2 double bond. In case of allene molecule, the positions of double bonds are perpendicular to each other. Due to hybridization, in allene molecule, the terminal carbon is sp2 hybridized. See the number first carbon, sp2 hybridized, number third carbon means last terminal carbon is the same sp2 hybridized, and the central carbon is sp hybridized. And due to this hybridization and orientation of p orbital, these 2 double bonds are exactly perpendicular to each other. And due to perpendicular nature of these 2 double bond, the 2 groups in one plane, means these 2 group in the plane and the remaining 2 groups are out of plane, means one towards the observer and the second group behind the plane. Okay, simple. In allene, position of double bonds are perpendicular to each other due to hybridization of terminal carbon as well as central carbon and orientation of p orbitals. Okay. Next one, allenes with unsymmetrical substituents at terminal carbon has no any element of symmetry. That means mirror image is not superimposable and it shows molecular chirality. Means the allene molecule with unsymmetrical substituents at terminal carbon, and means this molecule does not show any element of symmetry. That means the mirror image is not superimposable to each other, and this molecule it shows optical activity. Okay, see the number first, fluorine hydrogen, mirror image of this first molecule, same fluorine hydrogen. See the first and second molecule, these two are non superimposable to each other, means it shows enantiomeric character and it shows optical activity. Then next example, see carbon, there is a 4 carbon, means number of double bonds, there is a 3 double bonds. It is unsymmetrical substituents at terminal carbon, chlorine, fluorine, is there is a odd number of double bond, it shows geometrical isomerism and it becomes achiral. Compound is achiral. See the first example is achiral because 3 adjacent pi bonds behaves like alkene and shows geometrical isomerism. Means this molecule it shows center of symmetry as well as dihedral plane of symmetry. See the number second example, there is only 2 double bonds, chlorine, COOH and CS3. These 2 chlorines are out of plane, means one chlorine towards the observer and the second chlorine behind the plane, and these 2 groups, acid group, carboxylic acid group and methyl group is on the plane of paper. this molecule, it shows optical activity, sorry, it does not shows optical activity. Molecule is achiral in which one terminal carbon carries two identical groups. Next one, based on the assumptions, first synthesized allene molecule by dehydration reaction. The dehydration of 1,3-dinaphthyl 1,3-diphenyl proved to enol to catalytic dehydration in presence of camphor sulfonic acid. Means the dehydration of this molecule 1,3-dinaphthyl 1,3-diphenyl proved to enol in presence of strong dehydrating agent camphor sulfonic acid. It gives finally allene molecule. See the reaction, simple elimination of water molecule in presence of this catalyst, it gives finally allene molecule. These are the number first synthesized allene molecule. And last one is the nomenclature of allene molecule. Friends, we know that allene molecule, it shows optical activity, means it shows either R configuration or S configuration. Okay, see the examples. If what is mean by R configuration and what is mean by S configuration, if the plane of plane polarized light is rotate in clockwise direction is called as R configuration, and if the plane of plane polarized light is rotate in anticlockwise direction is called as S configuration. See these two examples, number first and number second. Number first, allene molecule. In this allene molecule there is only two double bonds, means it shows optical isomerism. View the molecule from left side, then there is a two groups, hydroxy group and methyl group. It's seen firstly, and then this chlorine group and methyl group. These two groups, hydroxy and methyl, is on plane, and we know that the groups present on plane is always on vertical line. Hydroxy group, methyl group, these two groups on vertical line. Priority of these two groups, hydroxy group first priority and methyl group second priority. Okay, then at a left side there is a chlorine and a right side methyl group. Left side chlorine at horizontal line and right side methyl group, and the priority of these two groups, chlorine is a third priority and methyl group fourth priority. See the rotation of PPL is a first to second, second to third, means there is a clockwise rotation, means it shows R configuration. Number second, same, view the molecule from left side, then there is a two groups, firstly seen is a OH group and CH3 group, then methyl group and Cl. Same, these two groups on plane is always on vertical line. Same, hydroxy group, methyl group. Priority of these two groups, number first hydroxy, number second methyl group. Then at left side methyl and right side chlorine, and the priority of these two groups, same, chlorine third priority and methyl fourth priority. See the rotation from first to second, second to third, means there is anticlockwise rotation. This molecule, it shows S configuration. These are the nomenclature and configuration of this allene molecule. Thank you very much.